billionaire called fucking Kish. Check out the snow sound of the end of 2016. YouTube called Kish, subscribe. Well, I'm gonna make it a venture and put it on YouTube. I don't really want to do this, but I have been in the house since Friday and today's Sunday. So, what is that, 2 days? 2 days in the house. Is that it? 2 days in the house. God damn, so goddamn fat. Jesus goddamn fucking Christ. Can't even get my fucking pants on. Can't even get my fucking pants on. So fucking fat. Size 42s. Suck it in, boy. Size 42 pants. I gotta suck it in to button it. Woo! Big boy. I'm a big boy. Okay. Jesus goddamn Christ. I'm gonna have a heart attack even before I even get up there. Eat some more. Eat some more. Maybe I should have skipped breakfast. Y'all want to know what I had for breakfast? Smoked kielbasa, 2 eggs, 2 toasts, and a can of soda. That's what I had for breakfast. Alright, Stacia. Shout out to Aaliyah. Aaliyah's videos, yay! Yeah. Okay. And if y'all want to know who Aaliyah is, she is my great grandniece in Milwaukee. Y'all want to see a picture of her? Let's see if I can find a picture of her. Y'all ever want to see my frogs? Here's my frog, see? Yeah, had 175 bullfrogs. There's me at Hooters. Okay. Okay. Oh, you fucking dumbass. I forgot to put your phone on. Here's Aaliyah. Right there. That's her brother, that's her sister, and there's Aaliyah. These are old pictures. I got a new one. Huh. Got a new one here. Let's see. Yeah, I work every fucking day, okay, people? I work every day. Oh, fuck. Where is it? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I don't know. I just gotta fucking go. I gotta get out of this house. That's what it is, right? We gotta get out of this house. I gotta get out of this house. Okay, got the electronic door opener. Get the gloves on. See that? 17 degrees out. Holy shit. It was 0 degrees. There we go. No more dog barking, no more nothing, no more nothing. No more door slamming, no more fighting, no more arguing. Nothing but a bunch of holes in the walls. And the scarred memory. That's what I got, a scarred memory. Oh, this ain't so bad. This ain't so bad. Wish my carburetor was working. Could plow this shit real easy. I guess now the new tread is now that they're using those hover boards. Holy shit. This thing is light, fluffy snow. Huh. I've been shoveling this snow 17 years now. Moved in here 2001. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. How is this supposed to work? Like this? Is that how this is designed? Is this how this is designed? It ain't working very well. Holy shit.